Bhagwan Dada, the pioneer of Indian cinema. Bhagwan Abhaji Pallavi, popularly known as Bhagwan Dada, was an influential figure in the Indian film industry. Born on August 1, 1913, in Amravati, Maharashtra, Bhagwan Dada made significant contributions as an actor, director, and producer. He is best remembered for his role in the classic film Albela, 1951, which established him as a household name and left an indelible mark on Indian cinema. Despite facing numerous challenges throughout his career, Bhagwan Dada's passion for filmmaking and his unique style continue to inspire generations of filmmakers and actors. Early life and background. 1. Family and early years. Bhagwan Dada was born into a humble family in Amravati. His father was a laborer, and the family faced financial difficulties. Despite these challenges, Bhagwan Dada was determined to pursue his passion for acting and cinema. Though entry into films, Bhagwan Dada moved to Mumbai, then Bombay, in search of opportunities in the burgeoning film industry. He started his career as a laborer in a textile mill but soon began to take small roles in silent films during the late 1920 and early 1930. Career beginnings. 1. Initial struggles. Bhagwan Dada's early years in the film industry were marked by struggles and hardships. He took on minor roles and worked as an assistant director to make ends meet. His persistence and dedication eventually paid off when he began directing films in the mid-1930s. Though directorial debut. Bhagwan Dada made his directorial debut with the film Bahadur Kisan, 1938, which he also produced. Although the film did not achieve significant commercial success, it showcased his potential as a filmmaker and helped him gain a foothold in the industry. Rise to fame. 1. Breakthrough with Albela. Bhagwan Dada's breakthrough came with the film Albela, 1951. The film, which he directed, produced, and starred in, became a massive hit. Albela was a musical comedy that resonated with audiences due to its catchy songs, dance sequences, and Bhagwan Dada's charismatic performance. The song, Shola Jo Bhadke, became particularly popular and is still remembered today. Though unique style and dance, Bhagwan Dada was known for his unique dance style, characterized by rapid movements and energetic expressions. His dancing, coupled with his comic timing, made him a favorite among audiences. He brought a distinct flavor to his performances, blending humor with pathos, which became his trademark. Later career and challenges. 1. Post-Albela struggles. Despite the success of Albela, Bhagwan Dada faced financial difficulties in the years that followed. Several of his subsequent films did not achieve the same level of success, leading to financial strain. His lavish lifestyle and investments in filmmaking ventures also contributed to his economic troubles. Though decline in popularity. As the film industry evolved, Bhagwan Dada's popularity began to wane. He struggled to adapt to the changing tastes of audiences and the new trends in cinema. Despite these challenges, he continued to work in films, often taking on supporting roles and cameo appearances. Legacy and influence. 1. Contribution to Indian cinema. Bhagwan Dada's contribution to Indian cinema is significant. He was one of the pioneers who helped shape the early days of Bollywood. His work in Albela set a benchmark for musical comedies and inspired many filmmakers and actors. Though cultural impact. Bhagwan Dada's films, particularly Albela, continue to be celebrated for their entertainment value and innovation. His dance style and comic performances have left a lasting impact on Indian cinema, influencing many actors and comedians. Theme. Tributes and recognition. Despite facing financial hardships in his later years, Bhagwan Dada's work is remembered and honored by the film fraternity. He has been the subject of numerous retrospectives and tributes, recognizing his contributions to Indian cinema. Personal life and character. 1. Family and personal values. Bhagwan Dada was married and had children. Despite the ups and downs in his professional life, he remained a devoted family man. He was known for his humility, generosity, and dedication to his craft. Though resilience and passion. Bhagwan Dada's life story is one of resilience and passion. He faced numerous challenges but never gave up on his love for cinema. His determination and hard work continue to inspire aspiring actors and filmmakers. Bhagwan Dada's journey in the Indian film industry is a testament to his indomitable spirit and passion for cinema. From his humble beginnings to his rise as a celebrated actor and filmmaker, Bhagwan Dada's life and work have left an indelible mark on Indian cinema. His unique style, memorable performances, and contributions to the industry continue to be celebrated and remembered, ensuring his legacy lives on.